enough and too. It was too expensive, so we didn't get it. It's too difficult to read. I don't understand it at all. They didn't sell enough tickets to make it worthwhile. There were too many people there. It's not too late to sort things out. It's too difficult to pass. I left because I'd had enough of their arguing. He ate too much and felt ill. I'm shattered. I didn't sleep enough last night. It's too far to walk. I'll take the bus. I didn't get enough sleep last night, and I'm exhausted. She couldn't sleep because she'd drunk too much coffee. It was hard enough without them trying to make things worse. I'd had enough of their fighting. It's near enough for us to walk there. I don't like too much salt in my food. There were too many people there. It cost too much to buy. The government didn't have enough support to pass the law. We can use to plus noun. We can use enough plus noun. We can use adjective plus enough. He isn't strong enough to lift that box. She was too tired to walk. We are not rich enough to buy a car. The policeman did not run fast enough to catch the thief. His behavior was too impudent for me to tolerate. We haven't got time enough to get his reply. She is not old enough to be a grandmother. The old woman was kind enough to share her meals with me.
If this video was helpful, subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and a comment below, and remember to share with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.